Okay, so one thing that I would change about my project, and I totally get how unrealistic this is, so just putting that out there first, is it would be ideal if the timeline was different. So for example, we worked with teachers, and it just a couple times in the process I was thinking to myself, oh my gosh, it'd be so much easier if we could conduct these studies while they were on their summer break, because that's when they focus on their lesson planning anyways. And additionally, a lot of our testing time was impacted by the fact that we were going to the teachers' classrooms, which is awesome to be kind of like in their environment. However, in terms of setup, it was challenging when a teacher was maybe running like 5 or 10 minutes late, which totally understandable, but we couldn't go into like his or her classroom before they had arrived. And then also keeping in mind the time of our test, so that they could finish with enough time before 30 kindergartners are running in. So I think even though our study was budgeted to be an hour, sometimes we just had to make adjustments to make it closer to 45 minutes or sometimes even 30 minutes, just because of that time constraint. So in a perfect world, if I could do it all over again, I would move it to summer break. However, I understand that in the industry, like if you're working with a client, you can't just say like, oh, this would be a lot easier in X number of months. Like, just do the project when you do it. So yeah, it's a good lesson learned.